God knows everything about you and about all of us. Psalm 139 verse 4, before I even speak a word, you know what I will say. So even your tendencies are known to God. Dahil alam ng Diyos ang ugat, alam niya ang bunga. Diyos ang lumikha sa atin, alam niya ang gagawin natin. Psalm 139 verse 13, you are the one who put me together inside my mother's body. You were my creator, my inventor, my designer. God made you. No one else but God made you and each one of us. In verse 14, I praise you because of the wonderful way you created me. Everything you do is marvelous. Napakaganda ng kaliwanagan